In this episode, just like the previous few, we're taking the front bumper off, except this time I have new tools. Number 1, I have a Sharpie. Number 2, I have masking tape. Number 3, I have Ziploc bags. To remove the front bumper and the front fenders, we need to remove the liner. So that's where we're going to start. So I also have a little piece of foam that is going to be good for my knees. So let's get started. You see, now I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. Until something doesn't go as planned, and then I'm not a professional. I'm scared when Sam says nothing.
Mechanic with a K.
Hey, so far I'm mechanical with a C. I don't know if I have the H yet, but at least I have the C.
You can earn the H when the bumper comes off.
The thing is that right now everything's going smoothly, but I know at some point something's gonna happen and I'm gonna go like, well, okay.
Very suspicious.
It's like in 3 videos I've learned how to actually do something. I would show that to the camera, but I don't know how to write. It's really bad.
It's better than a doctor's note.
Not by much.
Definitely a little bit.
I have another one here.
I can very clearly see an F.
An F?
A B.
Oh yeah.
There's definitely a P.
Oof. Oof. No, I do not know what that is. Okay. Wait, I've lost a part. No, I haven't lost a part yet. For once, it's actually going well. For once, it's like I know what's happening in my life.
I think you just gained a lot of experience from taking the headlights out.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows? I missed one. No, don't worry about it. It's fine.
Is it really fine though?
I mean, my definition of fine is that the car is not falling apart faster than I'm taking it apart, so far so good.
I don't know, I feel like that would save you some time though.
So in theory, Sam, the good news is that this should come off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's see it.
Yeah.
You have sold this one.
Oh, it's part of it? That's not a 10.
No, that's...
There is no way the fat one over there is a 10.
Right. I think this one looks big.
12? No, it's a 12. Oh God. I'm not losing part, you're losing part.
All the bets are done.
I'm gonna be short a lot of money.
15 minutes, 5 volts, going well.
Really? That's where we're at? Oh, that's terrible. Ah,
You make some very good points. Hey, no, I'm saying 15 minutes, 5 volts is very impressive. I don't know why you assumed I was saying it was slow.
okay, so grab here.
Okay, whoa, but taking a transmission out, that's pretty light.
Wait,
We're taking
wait,
off a pump.
something's happening. I mean, yeah,
So this is one piece.
yeah.
So you grab the side out and you grab the other side. Isn't there a bolt here?
I removed it.
So grab it before.
So I have to remove that more. Ah!
Jesus Christ.
Okay, so don't be too gentle, I guess.
Winston is not impressed with how you're taking apart his Supra.
Wait, no, that's the wrong one. I'm literally removing the wrong bolt. Let's not speak about this.
It's okay, nobody saw
I'm removing the one that holds the black skirt on the front bumper instead of the one that's retaining the liner. Ah, no, it's good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to fix, like, the cracks are gonna have to be fixed. Oh, of course I don't have the Sharpie. Sharpie me? Ah!
Careful. You're supposed to catch it.
Well, it wants on the R34.
You're supposed to catch it.
Oh my God, this is not the... No. Yeah. This doesn't work.
No?
It's too thin.
Okay, well,
Okay, Sharpie number 2.
the thought was there, I'm sorry.
Well, that. I gave it to you. Yeah, take it.
You had it the whole time?
I am well organized. Okay, that's a package. There we go. And that's how we do. You can cut that.
Now write the right side on it.
It's left.
Exactly, that's the correct side. Thanks for watching our videos, hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.